Hello friends. Welcome to Defense Matrix. On this channel you will get fully information about defense and technology. Let's view the video. The evolution of U.S. military technology since World War II. From bullets to ballistics, U.S. military power after World War II. World War II ended with a bang, literally. The atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki didn't just conclude a global war, it ignited a new era of warfare. In the aftermath of World War II, the United States emerged not only as a global superpower but also as the driving force behind the most significant military technology transformation in human history. Gone were the days of trench warfare and conventional rifles. America began investing heavily in ballistic missile systems, nuclear deterrence, and high-altitude bombers like the B-29 Superfortress. Tanks got faster. Aircraft became jet-powered, and submarines started to operate with nuclear propulsion, staying underwater for months without surfacing. The focus shifted from manpower to firepower, from brute force to strategic dominance. It was clear the future of warfare would be shaped by who could innovate faster, strike farther, and defend smarter. The United States was determined to lead that future. The Cold War arms race, innovation fueled by fear. With the Cold War heating up and the Soviet Union rising as a rival, the U.S. entered an intense technological arms race that spanned decades. It wasn't just about who had the most nukes, it was about who had the smartest, stealthiest, and most advanced weapons on the planet. This period saw the birth of cutting-edge military technologies. The U-2 spy plane and State Route 71 Blackbird took reconnaissance to new altitudes. Nuclear submarines like the USS Nautilus could operate silently across the globe. Intercontinental ballistic missiles, ICBMs, were ready to launch in minutes, capable of striking any target worldwide. Stealth became a game-changer. The F-117 Nighthawk and later the B-2 Spirit bomber could fly undetected into enemy territory. DARPA, the U.S. Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, was formed, a powerhouse responsible for technologies like the Internet and GPS. Fear of global annihilation pushed both superpowers to the edge, but it also led to the most rapid technological acceleration in U.S. military history: precision and power, the digital revolution in warfare. As the Cold War ended, a new revolution began, this time, digital. The 1991 Gulf War revealed just how far U.S. military technology had come. Dubbed the video game war, it showcased laser-guided bombs, satellite-guided missiles, and real-time surveillance, all orchestrated with shocking precision. No longer were battles fought blindly. Thanks to GPS and satellite imaging, commanders could strike targets from thousands of miles away with pinpoint accuracy. Drones like the Predator entered the scene, offering constant surveillance and, eventually, remote strike capabilities. Suddenly, the battlefield was global and virtual. Communication systems improved dramatically, allowing for seamless coordination between air, land, and sea forces. Smart bombs replaced carpet bombing, reducing collateral damage and increasing efficiency. The U.S. could now win wars not just with strength, but with speed, stealth, and strategy. This era proved that technology wasn't just a support tool, it had become the weapon itself. Space, cyber, and AI, America's new frontiers of defense. In today's world, the battlefield has expanded far beyond land, sea, and air. The next wars won't just be fought with bullets and bombs, they'll be waged in space, cyberspace, and the minds of intelligent machines. And once again, the United States is at the cutting edge. Let's start with space, once the realm of science fiction, now a critical military domain. The creation of the U.S. Space Force marked a historic shift. Satellites aren't just for communication anymore, they're key to missile tracking, GPS-guided weapons, real-time intelligence, and even space-based defense systems. Losing a satellite in war could mean losing the war itself. Then there's the invisible battlefield, cyberspace. Hackers can now paralyze enemy defenses without firing a single shot. The U.S. Cyber Command is working around the clock to protect power grids, nuclear systems, and military communications from digital sabotage. A virus in the wrong hands could be more dangerous than a missile. And finally, the rise of artificial intelligence is redefining every aspect of warfare. AI-powered drones can recognize, track, and eliminate targets autonomously. Predictive algorithms help commanders make decisions faster than any human possibly could. The Pentagon is investing billions in AI systems that can process data from satellites, ground forces, and reconnaissance drones all in real time, but it's not just offense. These technologies are vital for defense. AI systems are being developed to intercept hypersonic missiles in flight, detect cyber threats before they activate, and coordinate responses across global battlefields instantly. This isn't future tech, it's happening now. Space dominance, cyber warfare, and AI integration will decide who wins the wars of tomorrow. And if history is any guide, the United States intends to lead the charge. The future of war. What's next for U.S. military supremacy? So, what's next on the horizon? Imagine robotic soldiers, hypersonic jets that outrun missiles, AI-commanded battlefield networks, and quantum-powered encryption that no hacker can crack. The future of warfare is no longer just about strength, it's about speed, intelligence, and adaptability. The U.S. military is already developing sixth-generation fighter jets under the Next Generation Air Dominance (NG-80) program, capable of flying with AI wingmen. Swarm drones, laser weapons, underwater autonomous submarines, and even directed energy defenses are moving from labs to deployment. The battlefield of tomorrow will be fast, invisible, and smart. And the race is on. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel Defense Matrix for more interesting and knowledgeful videos.